Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have damaged photos or old pictures of your loved ones that you'd like to bring back to life? In this video, I will introduce you to my favorite AI-powered tool for easily restoring and enhancing your old pictures. Let's go. Right now, this is my go-to tool because it puts everything you need in one convenient dashboard. It offers a variety of editing features such as enhancements for videos and images, as well as conversion and compression. Most importantly, it uses AI to restore even your oldest photos. Do you want to try it now? You can use my link below to download the software directly and enjoy a free trial offer for first-time use to fully experience all features. Once the software is installed on your computer, head straight to the AI Image Enhancer feature on the main dashboard. Then, you can upload a single image or multiple files at once and enhance them all together. Note that the program supports JPG, PNG, JPEG, and BMP formats with resolutions ranging from 200 by 200 up to 6000 by 6000. After uploading, select Old Photo Restorer in the AI Models menu in the top right corner. This feature colorizes your black and white photos and fixes minor damage and faded areas. The enhancement only takes a few seconds, so click the preview button to see the results before saving. The original is on the left, and the right side shows the enhanced version. Finally, click the Export button to save the restored photos to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.